Hey, it's Raymond here at the UMI Performance Race Shop with another product spotlight. I'm in front of a very popular pair of products, part number 2008 and part number 2009, that fits 3rd gen Camaro and Firebird. The front one here, part number 2008, has a notch in it to fit the TPI small block Chevy. Does not fit V6 cars, so TPI small block Chevy. Ties the strut towers together and helps the car handle better and transmit steering inputs maybe crisper and smoother. So out back we have the 2009, which is a little bit more recent of a product. So the 2009 actually is missing this divot here. What happens with that is you can run the LS engine. So if you have an LS engine, you can use the stronger 2009 brace. Not that this one isn't strong, but basically this one has the unadjusted center tube here. They both have rod eyes on them, so you can change the center to center distance slightly in case your car is a little bit out of whack. The brace should still fit. Very popular upgrade for the 3rd gen Camaro and Firebird. If you have any product related questions about any of the things you see in our videos, you can email us at sales@umiperformance.com. And if you have any technical questions, we're always available at support@umiperformance.com.